Hi, I would like to share the video guide I have developed for BodMD, detailing how to use the BodEMPOWER Calendar app. This is the home page, which is divided into two parts. First is the login information input part, and another is the footer. Using login screen, you can access the calendar app according to role you are assigned to. In few moments I will show you how to create an user and set the role. The second part of the page is the footer part. From the options available in the footer part, you can access various products of BodMD directly. Now let me show how to create user in the app. A user can be created by someone with admin role assigned to him or her. Let us log in using admin role credential. Here I am keying in the admin user ID and password and then click on Login. The first screen you see is the admin panel. Notice the options available here. These options will not be available for users who are assigned in other roles. Let's start with creating a user. Click on People from the options available here and click on Add User. You enter username you would like to use for login and the password of your choice. There are other details required to be input on the screen. You can set the role of a user by clicking on Administrator or Authentic User. As I mentioned before, only admin user gets admin panel. Authenticated user does not see this panel. If you want to block a user, you can set it here. By default, a user created will be active. You can check the Notify User of New Account option checkbox. If you wish to send a notification to a newly created user, let us click on the Create New User to create the user. Let us log in again using the credentials of the new authenticated user we created. Type the login credentials here and click on Login button. On the first page after login, you can see that admin panel is not available for this user, as authenticated user role was assigned to this user. Now let us see how to add details for the calendar. You can set the date by clicking and choosing a date from here. The dates for other rows will put populated automatically for next 28 days. You cannot change the dates once the calendar is saved. Next is the symptom tracker option. You can select any symptom by clicking on the symptoms listed here. In case you want to select more than one symptom, you can do so by keeping the Control button your keyboard pressed and selecting other symptoms. You can select maximum of 4 symptoms for any row. Apart from the symptoms populated here, if there is any other symptom you would like to add, you can do so by typing it here. Once today's task is over, you can tick this checkbox. Click on Save once you have set all the details as required. You can see here that the details you have entered are saved. Thank you for watching.